Swahili sentences to English. Sentensi za Kiswahili Kiingereza. Number 1. Hutakubaliwa abadani. You will never be accepted. Number 2. Tatizo hili sasa ni abadi. This is now a permanent problem. Number 3. Gari moshi la abiria. Passenger train. Number 4. Gari la abiria bus. Number 5. Mizigo ya abiria passengers luggage. Number 6. Abjad za Kiswahili. Swahili alphabet. Number 7. Abjad za Kirumi. Roman alphabet. Number 8. Abudu Mungu mmoja. Worship one God. Number 9. Acha kazi. Quit job. Number 10. Acha kukohoa. Stop coughing. Number 11. Wasafiri wameacha mizigo yao nyuma. Passengers left their luggages behind. Number 12. Watu wameacha mashamba yao. People have neglected their farms. Number 13. Kuku ameacha watoto wake. The hen has neglected her chicks. Number 14. Achana naye. Leave him or her alone. Number 15. Acha mfungwa huru. Pardon a prisoner. Number 16. Acha mshtakiwa huru. Acquit a defendant. Number 17. Acha apite. Allow him or her to pass. Number 18. Acha apumzike. Let him or her rest. Number 19. Amemwacha mkewe. He has divorced his wife. Number 20. Acha kitabu mezani. Leave a book on a table. Number 21. Acha ujumbe ofisini kwangu. Leave a message at my office. Number 22. Acha posta upande wa kushoto. Leave the post office on your left hand side. Number 23. Acha tabia mbaya. Break bad habits. Number 24. Acha mkono. Die. Number 25. Acha we. Good for you.
Dear visitor, don't miss the coming class, but also don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much.